Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video we will see how we can find the price of a trade agreement product. Okay, so what I mean by that is if I come here, okay, you can I have simply went to my release product form. Okay, here I'm picking this particular item, and if I click on my view trade agreement, so I have a trade agreement here. Okay, so let me do one thing. Okay, let me create it from scratch. Let me go to any other product, for example this one. Okay, here we don't have any the trade agreement. Okay, so first thing is that I will create a trade agreement first. Okay, I will click on new. I will go with my price one. I will go to lines quickly, and here the first thing is that I will make sure I'm selecting my purchase price, and I want to create a trade agreement for this particular vendor. Let me select the vendor and also to my specific item, right, this one. So currently let me go to this item first. So currently this item will have some price, right? So if I click here, let me try to grab the purchase order. Okay, so I have come here, and if you can see, currently the price is 12. Okay, the purchase price is 12. So if I'll create a purchase order, so we'll have the 12 here. Okay, but what I want here, we are creating a trade agreement where what we'll do will, if you buy the quantity between 1 to or not between 10 to 100, we'll give the price of 10. Okay, simple trade agreement I'm creating, and let me make it active and inactive till this date, and I'm going to post it. Okay, now we click OK. Now while creating the purchase order, so let me try to create a purchase order quickly. So I can go here, I can create a new purchase order. So I'll create a purchase order for my 1001 vendor, and let me quickly go add this vendor, and I will go ahead and we'll create this purchase order. Now I will add this particular my item, okay, A0001, and I should see the price as 10, right, if I buy the quantity between A001. Okay, so I should get 12 initially. So let me select the site and warehouse. Okay, now if I'll change it to 11, so I should get the unit price as 10 if the trade agreement will work. Okay, alright, so this is 10. Okay, now I want to find the same thing using my code. Okay, so what I can do, I will create a runnable class for this, and I will create my class. I will write something like find trade agreement price, something like this. Okay, I will click on add. So the concept here is we are going to use our PriceDisc class. Okay, but before that we need to provide the parameters. So the parameter will be given from my price discount parameters. Okay, so let me quickly write here price discount. So we are going to leverage these two classes here, price discount parameters. Okay, price discount parameters. Okay, now the first thing is that I need to initialize PriceDiscParameters dot. Okay, so the first thing is I'll need to start fill this. Okay, here I need to provide my vendor account number. Okay, so if I come here, so what is my vendor account number? I think it's 1001, but let's confirm. Yeah, it's 1001 only. Okay, I can go here and provide the this guy. Okay, and let me do one thing by that time. So if I will come back here, if I click on view trade agreement, so I will start with this. Okay, so then I have this relation yep, so I need to find out this one, form name. Okay, it's relation. All right, so what I will do, I will go here, let me select here price discount parameters dot param, or let me fill this currency code. So I'm going to hard code it to USD. Alright, then again price disc parameters dot, I will give my item ID. So my item ID is A0001. Okay, and then what else I need to provide here? Yeah, I need to provide my quantity dot param quantity. So the quantity I will be putting it as 11. Oh, quantity is something I can put it like this because it is a number, right? And price discount parameter dot param unit ID. Okay, let's see the unit here. I go to lines. Okay, pieces. Copy this and I can provide my this pieces. All right, and now we need to set up other things as well. For example, price discount parameters dot param. One second here, I think this I have already done. Unit, I think this one is not required. Param, okay, a module. Okay, let's select the module first. So module invent purge sales. Okay, here we are doing it for purge, so we'll change it to purge. Okay, and is there anything left? Let's check here. I think account number we have done, currency code we have done, and okay, let's do this invent dim as well. So here we will simply provide the blank one. Okay, so invent dim, I can say find or create blank. Okay, so blank we already have in this demo system, so we'll already have this inventory dimension with us, so shouldn't be an issue. Okay, and then price discount parameters, here we have quantity use, yeah, this one, date. Okay, so I will give today's date, so date time util, I will say get system date. Here I need to provide my time zone, so I can say date time util dot get user time zone. All right, so I think this is completed. I should close it. All right guys, so I think we should be good. So we have done the initialization on this particular class, all the required parameters, okay, by which we can get the price. Okay, now the main thing is that we'll initialize this our main price disc class. So I can say here my price discount, and I will say new from my price discount parameters. Here I already have my buffer of my price discount parameters, so I will provide this. Okay, then further here I can say price discount. Okay, price discount dot, I can see here find price, and here I have to provide my this price group ID. Okay, so for that what I will do, let me define my when table buffer. I should define it at the beginning, but yeah, that's fine. When table find, and my vendor account number is 1001. Okay, and from this I can find out my price group, so I can say when table dot my price group. Alright, so that's it. Okay, once we have all this information, then we can display our messages. Okay, just give me one second. Info strfmt, and what I will do, price discount dot, we should have okay, yeah, price. Okay, and we'll get price discount dot price, so unit price. Okay, so we'll get all these two information. Okay, and if there will be any markup price as well, even though it shouldn't be, so that will also be populated. Okay, so I can close it. Here I can say that price, then I have my unit price, then I have my markup price. Okay, markup. Let's do a build, then we'll see whether it's working or not. I will do a build, and here the net amount is okay. Alright guys, so I will wait for my build to get completed, then we'll test this. Guys, my build is unsuccessful because I haven't yet initialized this class, so let me do it. Okay, price discount parameter equals to price discount parameter construct, price discount, second here, parameters construct. Okay, so let me do a build again, then we'll see. Alright guys, so the build is completed here, and here if you can see the price is coming as 10. Okay, and so actually it is not unit price, it's per unit here. Okay, so basically if you will go to your trade agreement, so this is a trade agreement that we created, right? So if you click here, and here you see price unit. Okay, and here is our price. Okay, and the markup price is 0, as we know. It should be somewhere here. Alright, yeah, so that's fine. Currently I think it is somewhere, I forget. Yeah, so that is about how you can find price of your trade agreement. Okay, you just need to provide all the param parameters here. For example, if you want, you can even provide your other data as well. Okay, whatever is available in param, so based on that it will provide you accurate price. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.